I'm about to make some chicken stock and boil some chicken thighs for a dish I'm making. And every time I boil something like this, I forget about it and it overflows. And so I'm going to see today, test a theory that if I coat the edges here with olive oil, it won't boil over. So I'm going to proceed to coat the edge with olive oil. Even though it's a non-stick pot, we'll see what happens. All right. And I'm going to turn this on high and we'll see what happens. So it's coming to a full boil. Looking a little dangerous. I might be cleaning up a mess here soon. So far, so good. I think it's actually working. I have to say, probably by now I would be swearing up a storm. Well, I mean, that is like full gas boiling. It's getting a little higher on the edge. It might do it. Oh no. Well, I gotta say, I think that it works. Because I think by now that would definitely be going over. It's actually calming down a little bit now that some of that foam is going away. So for all of you like me that forget about that pot boiling on the stove, rub that edge with some olive oil before you turn the heat on, of course, and you'll be happy you did. I think it works.